What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have RVN, ravencoin. Ravencoin today is up 34%. Now I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you my yesterday's upload about it because everything was sent to you guys yesterday. So these were the predictions. Like, look at these things. Like, you cannot make this shit up. This is the video. As you can see here, we have RVN. This is ravencoin. Again, this was premiered on 11th of September. On this thing, I was definitely still and still I'm pretty. As you can see, this is the 3-day chart. I'm going to show you the 3-day chart how it looks right now. As you can see, like nothing was changed. Right? Can you spot the difference? Again, just the candle is a little bit different because it just moved up. Overall, yeah, like no shit. But yeah, the prediction was correct. I'm still pretty bullish on this thing. This was the correct scenario. So yeah. So what are we looking at next is, yeah, just to deliver to these highs and actually not just tap into the supply and deliver lower. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. I want to see this close above here, so that's it.